Topic 1. A new Fed task force embracing AI. Members include Mark Andreessen and Doug McMillon. Kevin Warsh has formed 5 external advisory task forces to review Fed operations, and one of them focuses on AI and its effects on productivity and employment. The AI task force is co-chaired by 3 Warsh appointees: venture investor Mark Andreessen, economist Charles I. Jones, and Microsoft Xbox CEO Asha Sharma, each broadly optimistic about AI's transformative economic effects. And Warsh believes AI can boost growth and productivity without stoking inflation. Doug McMillon is not on the AI group, but serves as a co-chair of the Fed's Data Task Force reviewing data sources and usage, playing an important role in bringing business leaders' perspectives to the Fed. The task force will operate independently, deliver evidence-based recommendations to the FOMC by year-end. But internal Fed views are mixed. Some FOMC participants accept possible productivity gains, yet see large timing and magnitude uncertainties, while the NY Fed warns AI-driven demand shocks could push up prices. Persuading and managing skeptical internal views and supply price risks will be crucial. Topic 2. EU ruling that Meta's Instagram Facebook designs are addictive. The European Commission's preliminary finding under the Digital Services Act concludes Meta's Facebook and Instagram designs include addictive elements that can harm physical and mental health, especially for young and vulnerable users. Features cited include infinite scroll, autoplay, push notifications, and highly personalized recommendation algorithms that weaken self-control and put users on autopilot. And the Commission says Meta failed to sufficiently assess and mitigate risks like late-night use by teenagers and heavy use of Reels and Stories. The Commission demands changes, such as default-off autoplay and infinite scroll, enforced screen time breaks, and less engagement-driven recommendation systems. It judged simple screen time alerts and parental controls to be easily ignored or technically insufficient. Meta disputes the preliminary conclusion, points to measures like teen accounts, and has procedural opportunities to contest findings, but a final violation could carry fines up to 6% of global annual turnover. Similar youth harm concerns have also surfaced in U.S. courts. Topic 3. SK Hynix's Nasdaq debut. SK Hynix launched on Nasdaq with ADRs priced at $49 apiece, raising about $26.5 billion, a listing among the largest ever U.S. listings by a foreign company and reported as the second largest deal after SpaceX, with underwriting fees around $260 million. The ADR initially traded under SKHYV to be changed to SKHY and opened sharply higher. Reports cited starts around 170, roughly a 4% jump, reflecting investor appetite tied to booming AI server memory demand. Proceeds are earmarked for large CapEx projects, including U.S. packaging capacity, an Indiana plant around $4 billion, and major fab expansions in Korea, and the listing may reduce the Korea discount by improving U.S. investor access. Risks remain: competition with Samsung and Micron to secure HBM capacity, potential supply bottlenecks, and short-term volatility, exacerbated by new single-stock leveraged and inverse ETFs, and the need to convert high expectations and heavy capex into sustained earnings. Topic 4. Mortgage rates held near 6.49%. Freddie Mac's latest survey shows the 30-year fixed mortgage averaged 6.49% this week, a slight rise from 6.43% the prior week, and compared with 6.72% a year earlier, while the 15-year fixed averaged 5.82%, up from 5.79% a week earlier and 5.86% a year ago. Long-term mortgage rates track the 10-year Treasury yield, around 4.5%, and recent Middle East tensions and oil price increases, linked to Iran-related conflict, have added inflation concerns that push rates higher. Rates have stayed roughly in the mid-6% range, which reduces buyer affordability by hundreds of dollars per month and encourages prospective buyers to delay purchases. At the same time, slowing home price growth